What if I told you that just 100 could change your financial future forever? And no one in school ever taught you how. Hi, and welcome to Wealth Sprint. Here we break down simple wealth-building strategies that actually work. Today I'm giving you the one money move that schools should have taught. How to take 100 and plant the seed for long-term wealth. Let's be real. School taught us how to pass exams, not how to build wealth. You were probably told to save your money. Maybe even open a savings account. But did anyone explain how the wealthy think differently? They don't just save, they invest. The average person either spends their 100 or lets it sit idle. But here's what happens when you make just one smart move with that same amount. Enter the ETF, or exchange-traded fund. This is your low-risk gateway to owning a small piece of the biggest companies in the world. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, all in one basket. Start with 100 in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, like VOO or SPI, and you're now aligned with over 500 top-performing companies. And here's the real magic. Compound growth. Let's say you invest just 100 a month for the next 20 years. That's an average of $855,000. Without winning the lottery. And without being a financial expert. Region-specific options? In the US, try Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. In the UK, use Freetrade or eToro. In Canada, check out Wealthsimple. In Australia, try Raise or CommSec. Still skeptical? Look up stories of everyday people who started small, 50 to 100 at a time, and built entire portfolios over time. Warren Buffett himself once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself, and the second best is in a low-cost index fund." If the world's greatest investor is saying this, what are we waiting for? So here's the move. Take $100. Choose a reliable ETF or index fund. Invest. Repeat monthly. Let time do the rest. This is the wealth hack schools never taught you. But now you know. If you found value in this video, hit subscribe. Because we're just getting started.